4 best ways to generate money from debts. Imagine drowning in a sea of debt. Looks and sounds scary, right? There is no denying that having debts can scare a lot of people. The thought of not being able to pay for loans and dues can be very frustrating, and it's known to take away peace in one's life. Debts can vary from a student, business, car, housing loans, credit cards, and so much more. But some people don't understand that there are still good debts out there which can even help you generate more money. Debts aren't all that bad. Most of the time, getting a debt is the smartest way to make more money. So in this video, we will share the 4 best ways to generate money from debts. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Money in Mind, a fun and friendly channel that will bring you high-quality financial advice towards happiness and success. Number 1. Invest in business. Investing in starting a business is the best and most practical way to generate money from debts. Many people don't have the means and money to start a business, but that doesn't mean there is no other way to open up your dream cafe, a town bakery, or a mini grocery store. Banks offer loans that will provide you with a capital to fund your business and have different repayment plans and interest rates. Entrepreneurs commonly sign up for a loan, and there is nothing wrong with this because you are expected to earn money and you are also expected to pay on a weekly or monthly basis, depending on the terms of the agreement. Opening a business is indeed one of the best ways to use a loan. Don't ever sign up for one if all you plan to do with the money is fund your wardrobe and Starbucks cravings. Good debt will give you something in return in the future. It needs to be something that will generate income so you can also pay for it. Of course, once you get the money, make sure that it really goes to business capital and materials such as chairs, tables, and cup holders. The loan you signed up for is meant for the business and nothing else. Use it wisely. Be wise enough to pay for your business loan on time so you don't get charged with high interest rates. If you pay responsibly, you will gain the trust of the bank or lender, giving you better and guaranteed chances to be approved for another loan in the future. Bottom line, don't be afraid to start a business from debt because many successful brands have done the same anyway. Are you thinking of opening a business and managing your capital well? Hit the subscribe button as we've got upcoming content on that from Money in Mind. Don't forget to share and like this video with your friends as well. Now, back to the 4 best ways to generate money from debts. Number 2. Trading is based on debts. This is almost the same as investing in a business, but it comes with trade. For example, you want to get items from a company abroad and you would like to sell them for your business in your locality. Nowadays, this has become easier as you can already order products online, and you don't need to travel to China, Australia, or the United States to acquire these items. The good news is that some merchants allow entrepreneurs to get the items without paying for them immediately. After a while, let's say a month or 2, you are expected to pay for the products. If you are wise enough and handle your business well, you will be able to pay for your debts and your business will flow smoothly. Sounds easy, but it's not. But if you know what you're doing, you will pretty much succeed. Number 3. Forex. Just a reminder, don't engage in Forex if you know little or nothing about how it works. Anyway, we're just going to give you some information on what Forex is all about. In a Forex market, you buy or sell currencies. Placing a trade in the foreign exchange market is simple, and the mechanics of a trade are very similar to how it is in the stock market. Forex trading aims to exchange one currency for another with the expectation that the price will change. Many people like trading foreign currencies on the foreign exchange market because it requires the least amount of capital to start day trading. Indeed, Forex trading can be profitable, but timeframes should be considered. To be profitable over multiple years is usually much easier when you have a large amount of cash to leverage and a system in place to manage risk. Many retail traders do not survive Forex trading for more than a few months or years. Number 4. The motivation to care for your credit score. The credit score is one of the biggest reasons people sign up for loans. This 3-digit number found on your credit card or loan statement reflects how you've managed debt in the past. So, why do many take good care of their credit scores anyway? Well, if you have a good record on your payment history, you can get a lower interest rate on your next loan. You can even save money on insurance and security deposits. Sounds reasonable. So, the key to having a good credit score from banks, credit card companies, and lenders is consistently paying on time. If you don't pay for 6 months from your last loan or you had numerous and significant delays in the past year, don't expect to be approved on your next application. Banks and lenders have major trust issues, and we can't blame them because that's money we're talking about. Also, a few factors that can affect your credit score are credit utilization, age of credit accounts, and recent credit inquiries. Basically, it's like building trust. If you want a higher loan and fast approval in the future, you have to earn the company's trust. You have to let them know how good of a payer you are and how responsible you are to know your responsibilities. Who would trust their money to someone who doesn't manage it well? To sum up, you can definitely generate more money from debts. Debts and loans aren't as scary as you think it is. You have to be wise enough to know your responsibilities. Learn to manage your debts and use the money in something that will create an income for you. Again, debts aren't always evil because sometimes, or most of the time, it's our actions towards these debts. So, are you ready to sign up for that debt? We hope you learned a lot from this video to help you choose the best way to use them. And those are our 4 best ways to generate money from debts. Comment below your thoughts, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Money in Mind and join us on this exciting journey. Have an awesome time, and we'll see you in the next video.